Alright, we're going to go ahead and stir up our rice so that we can blend it with the garlic and the cumin. It should become quite fragrant now that you're stirring it. So again, you only want to do this for about a minute because you don't want to scorch. Alright, now we're going to take a cup of our veggie stock. And we're going to add it to the rice. Now that we have some liquid in the pan, we can turn the volume up, the heat up, excuse me, in the pan. We'll stir to make sure everything is incorporated. And then we're going to add our second cup of veggie stock. Generally, you're going to want a 2-to-1 liquid to rice ratio whenever you're cooking rice.